Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make mycelium at home. First, gather your materials, including a pressure cooker, sterile jars, and a suitable substrate like rye grain. Ensure your workspace is meticulously cleaned to prevent contamination. Mycelium, the vegetative part of a fungus, thrives in sterile conditions. We will cover preparing your substrate, inoculating it with spores or liquid culture, and maintaining the ideal environment for growth. This process typically takes several weeks to complete. Preparing your substrate is a critical step for successful mycelium growth. For grain, soak it overnight, then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until plump but not burst. Drain thoroughly and load into jars, filling them about 2/3 full. For sawdust, mix with water and a nutrient like gypsum. Sterilize these jars in a pressure cooker at 15 pounds per square inch for at least 90 minutes to eliminate competing microorganisms. This ensures a clean slate for your mycelium. Once your substrate is cool, it's time for inoculation. This must be done in a sterile environment, such as a still air box, to prevent airborne contaminants. Using a sterilized spore syringe or liquid culture, inject about 1 to 2 milliliters into each jar, distributing it evenly. Work quickly and efficiently. After inoculation, immediately seal the jars with a filter patch or micropore tape to allow gas exchange while keeping contaminants out. This step introduces the fungal spores to their new home. After inoculation, place your jars in a dark, warm spot, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid direct sunlight. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll observe white, thread-like mycelium spreading through the substrate. If you see any green or black spots, it's contamination, and that jar should be discarded. Once about 20 to 30% colonized, gently shake the jar to redistribute the mycelium, speeding up full colonization. Patience is key during this growth phase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.